Renee. Oh, God bless. Oh! Are you enjoying breakfast? Huh? What you got? Zucchini bread? Do you like your zucchini bread? Yum, yum, yum. Yeah? You gonna dance for me? Oh my! Yeah. Please, pretty girl.